Well, hi team. Just a quick message about K transformations. K transformations that's when we multiply our inputs before we put our input into the function machine, and these have the counterintuitive effect of compressing vertically. So let's take a look. Here I have a graph of f of x, which is just x minus 3 squared, and so we'll notice that its vertex sits over here at 3, 0. And if I, let's say, put an A transformation in there, let's just quickly compare to an A transformation. And here's g of x, okay? If A goes negative, you'll see that reflects through the x-axis. And it also applies a vertical stretch. When A gets bigger, everything is getting stretched upwards. The only thing that doesn't get stretched is that point where the y value is 0, because we're effectively multiplying every output by A. That's what an A transformation does. Now let's set that back to 1, because we don't actually want to look at A transformations. Let's look at K transformations, which can be confusing. Okay, there we go. So as K transforms, as K gets bigger, you'll see this compresses vertically. It gets squeezed towards the y-axis. So it's now 10 times closer to the y-axis. If K is 3, it's going to be 3 times closer to the y-axis. So set that to 3. The old vertex was at 3, 0. The new vertex is at 1, 0. Notice all the x values have been divided by K, not multiplied, divided. Okay, and then as K becomes less than 1, that's where you get a horizontal stretch. So if K is 0.3, everything is like about 3 times further. So there it is out at like 10 now. Okay, instead of 3, a little bit bigger than 3 times, because we're dividing by 0.3. If we go out to 0.1, okay, 0.1, 0.2 there, 0.2 is good. So if you divide something by 0.2, that's effectively multiplying it by 5. So it got 5 times further away from the y-axis. See there? Yeah. And then when K is negative, that's where you get reflections through the y-axis. See that there? How the only thing that's not moving when I do have a K transformation is the y-intercept, because that x value is 0 and it's getting divided by K, so it doesn't change. You can't change 0 by division. All right, so that's just a quick message for you about K transformations. Any questions? Hit me up. Bye for now.